Good evening, students. This is first time you are dealing with ICAI examination. So let me give you brief about what to do and what not to do in ICAI examination. Let us start with before examination. So day before examination, what you should be doing, what you should not be doing before going into examination. Don't have outside food and water. See, this is a coronavirus era. Even before coronavirus era, this was my first suggestion is don't have outside food and water. Drink water from your home. Carry a water bottle wherever you go. Day before examination, you are not going anywhere, but always never have an outside food. Prepare well before examination. Take enough sleep. Don't do this. You are sleeping for 15 minutes, you are sleeping for 20 minutes. Believe me, in examination, you'll have to use your brain, and your brain will be giving you optimal only when you are having enough sleep. Don't waste your time. So, watching television or discussing something with some of your relative, friends, brothers, mother, father. Don't do it. Don't waste your time. Be alone and try to give maximum time to your studies. This is before examination. This is for your academic. Don't try to do something which you have not done before. So, say there is one chapter, one of the concept you are not knowing. You feel that let me complete this concept right now. Don't do it. Day before examination, your target should be just a revision. Whatever you have done, whatever you know, don't take a new subject which you have not taken, a new topic which you have not already done. Is it all right? So your target should be just a revision of what you have already done. I have seen n numbers of times some people say you that the question paper will come from this book and that book, and you stop reading what you were already reading and start reading some new book. This is dangerous. Don't do this. Whatever book you have followed, have confidence on that book, and believe me, there cannot be a book from where the paper will be directly asked. If some fake news are there that this is the paper, don't just go behind it and try to solve it. Just have confidence. Whatever you have done, whichever book you have followed, just follow it, revise whatever you have decided, and be confident in your revision rather than going into some new topic or new book or material. This is dangerous. This should not be done. Before you go into examination hall, say this is what I used to do. This is very important, even if it is very basic. Don't forget anything. I'll give you a simple thing to do. You are having 4 examination. Prepare a list. When you go out of your house, just do a tick mark on that list that okay, I am carrying this all things. Believe me, it is extremely important. What list you should prepare? I am going fast. Pen, pencil, rubber, sharpener, and all your stationery you should be carrying with you. Don't forget your calculator. If you are going to carry 2 calculators, it is good. If you are going to carry 1 calculator, have extra cell, carry with you your calculator. See, I have seen students, they forget calculator. Then they ask for calculator from office, and the school office gives them a calculator. Believe me, your time is wasted, your energy is wasted. You are not mentally stable at that point of time because you are having a total tension that, oh, okay, I have forgotten my calculator. Is it all right? So don't forget it. This is most important. The student, even after repeating them, calculator, admit card, not only that, pen, pencil, rubber, everything is important. Admit card, water bottle, sanitizer, and mark. So prepare a list. If you are going to carry something else, say you are having specs, so you are also going to carry a specs. All right. So have a list, have 4 columns in it, and when you go out of your house for examination hall, just do a small tick mark. It will not take even 15 seconds, but this will help you out like anything. Believe me, I have seen people writing paper without calculator because school does not provide it. They are strictly told not to give anything to students. They give it from humanity point of view, but they are not having a compulsion to give you calculator if you forget it. Is it all right? So don't do it. It is like going to a war. without taking your sword. Is it all right? So you are ready for war, but if you go without your sword, believe me, you are going to fail. So this is at most important. Even if I am giving less time, this is at most important. And I have told you how to remember this. Is it all right? Just have a list, just tick mark before you put everything in your bag. Is it all right? If you are going to take a writing pad with you, you should also write down writing pad in this particular list. Is it all right? During examination, do not argue with invigilator. Whatever has happened, see, if they are saying you were talking, even if you were not talking, just be silent, say sorry, write down your paper. Even if you do argument for 15 minutes, they are not losing anything, you are losing your everything. Is it all right? 15 minutes are important for you, not important for them. Don't make an argument, even if you are correct, even if you are not correct. This will not happen. But even if it happens, you should always, your first and last word should be sorry, and continue writing your paper. Do not discuss, see, sometimes you feel that this question is incorrect. You tell to invigilator that this question is incorrect. She will ask to head office, this question is incorrect. Don't do this. Believe me, they cannot do anything in paper. This is all over India paper. They cannot rectify that paper. And even if you want that credit that you have found out that there was a mistake in a question, believe me, that credit will not be given. If you feel the question is incorrect, skip that question, go to next question immediately without wasting a single minute. Is it all right? This is a most important thing. See, sometimes institute will intentionally ask you question number 1 very difficult, because they want to test your knowledge also, and they want to test your confidence also. So don't lose your confidence in first 20, 25, 30 marks. Even if it was your favorite chapter, even if you were unable to do that particular question, or your question was untallied, don't worry about it. Just concentrate on other questions. Don't worry about that paper at all. Sorry. This is, you should be very much confident throughout your 100 marks. Say you are going to get 75 marks. First 25 marks you are getting 0. Is it all right? So your paper was worst for first 25 marks. You are disheartened and you leave full of your paper. You will be getting 0 marks. But had you been confident, you might be getting 75 out of 75 in second portion. And 75 marks in foundation in any subject are very good marks. Is it all right? So don't get disheartened if you are unable to solve 1 question, 2 questions, 3 questions. Don't worry about it. Give full 3 hours paper, 2 hours paper confidently. Is it all right? Remember, if it is hard for you, it is hard for everyone. And if it is hard paper, believe me, checking will be done liberally. So don't worry about paper being very difficult. Even if it is difficult, believe me, you are going to pass the examination. Even if you feel that 100 marks, your answers were incorrect, believe me, you are going to get good marks as per this, especially for paper number 1 and paper number 2. Is it all right? Paper number 1, it is now postponed. But for accountancy and law, this is most important. Time management. I have taught you before also. Let me revise it. If it is 3 hours paper, it is 180 minutes. For 100 marks, it is 1.8 minute per mark. So if the question is of 10 marks, you get 10 into 1.8, that is 18 minutes for same. If you are taking more than 18 minutes, you are investing some other question time into this question. Verify whether it is justifiable or not. Right. Ensure your mic is not put on at any point of time, please. This is nothing but managing your time. Yes, if it is 2 hours paper, MCQ papers, all right, it is 120 minutes, 100 marks. It is 1.2 minutes per mark. So for every MCQ, you need to solve it at in 1.2 minutes. If you are not solving it, there will be a difficulty because you are investing some other. I don't say you should not invest more time, but it should be worthwhile. You should not invest 15 minutes in solving 1 MCQ. Then it is never worthwhile because you are investing it for 1 mark. Is that all right? So this is during examination. After examination, once you say you are going to appear for law tomorrow, Once you appear for law examination, just tear off the paper. Don't think about it, how many marks you will be getting. Don't think at all about it and start preparing for next examination. See, it is possible your paper might not be very well. You are discussing it for 2.5 hours, whether you will be passing, whether you will be failing, how many marks you will be getting. Your next paper time you are investing in that discussion. Is it all right? So you should concentrate first on next paper. Once you are concentrating on next paper, your time is not wasted and invested in particular place where it should be invested. So don't discuss the paper with anyone. Even if you are not tearing it off, keep it in your bag. Start preparing for next examination as soon as possible. Don't waste your time for discussing a paper. It is a sunk cost. It is a cost which is already gone. It is not going to come back. And so forget about it. Concentrate on what is in your control and not what is not in your control. All right. Best of luck to all students. Last suggestion, give your examination like a lion. Be very, very brave. Don't be afraid of giving examination and be extremely confident. Confident will give you 20 marks more overall. If you lose your confidence, your marks will be reduced minimum by 20 marks, maximum it is unlimited. Is it all right? But don't lose your confidence even a bit. Even if you are not knowing something, be confident like anything and appear for CA examination. Hope all of you will be performing well. Best of luck to all of you. Is it all right?